Solar-powered cars. The elements of nature have been created for man alone. Every single need can be acquired and it is present in nature around us. Man only needs to travel and explore the hidden treasures of nature and use them for the fulfillment of his basic needs of life. Something that doesn't need any searching shines up above in the sky. The sun is the basic source of life on Earth. If there was no sun, no life would have been possible. Sun emits light, which is known as the solar energy, and you may have heard and studied about solar energy being used for thousands of purposes. This energy has been used for heating systems, and thermal power plants are run through solar energy, and so on. When you read or hear about these things, you simply pass on because this is too common. When it comes to solar-powered cars, it is very likely that you stop and think for a while. It is a promising future prospect, and you wish you live long enough to see only solar-powered cars racing down the streets, no running out gas, no waiting at the filling station, no more paying for the petrol. Imagine how quickly you would be able to increase your standard of living. Solar-powered cars have been in existence since the mid of the 19th century. They have been increasing in number year by year, and organizations tend to hold solar-powered car racing each year, and thousands of people invest their money and bet on their solar-powered cars. The mechanism of these cars is very simple. The batteries installed in these light-bodied cars charge themselves from the solar energy. Then this energy is converted by them into electrical energy, thus it helps the motor run. Now this prospect is very simple, or more likely it sounds very simple and trouble-free. The sun shines every day and there doesn't seem to be any such problem with these cars. But the fact is that the amount of energy stored at a time by these cars enables them to drive at a very slow pace. The road has to be leveled and not steep, because that requires even more energy. It will need more powerful batteries and more storage capacity. Have you never noticed that this is the reason why solar-powered cars are small, lightweight, and can carry one person at a time? There are many technical facts that render the concept of these cars as vague.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.